I needed a new brush for my Clarisonic, and so I purchased this one. This one is the Radiance brush head for all skin types, and I am very excited to get this one back on. Super easy to do. It has instructions if you've never used it before. So basically that's the cap of it, and that stays on the brush as it connects to this part of the brush. So let's get it put on. So this is what the brush head looks like. It is very soft, very, very soft. And what you do is you get it wet, and then you're going to put your soap in here in that center piece. Make sure your face is very, very wet as well. It's honestly best to use this in the shower, and then you will push this. And you can see that it slightly vibrates and goes back and forth. It will not turn in a circle. And that's exactly how this works. Really great product and really great brush and really great little Clarisonic. This one is the Mia 2.